Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This video was a long time coming. I did actually film this video once and the sound quality was completely messed up, so I could not upload that. So here I am refilming this again, and this time I've made sure that everything is in place. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything I bought at the Estee Lauder Warehouse Sale, or as people call it, the MAC Warehouse Sale. So a little bit about the sale. This is basically Estee Lauder companies owns a lot of these brands, namely Origins, MAC, Smashbox, Estee Lauder of course, Clinique, DKNY, Michael Kors, Tom Ford Beauty, Becca Cosmetics. So basically all of these fall under Estee Lauder companies, and 4 times a year they have this massive warehouse sale where they showcase a lot of the products. Now they're not necessarily the new collections, in fact very rarely the new collections. They're products from their old collections and just discontinued products even. So a lot of these go on massive discounts, and the tickets to the sale are by invite only. I was lucky enough to know someone who had extra tickets, which is why I could go to this sale. And let's get right into it. As always, before we start, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me, and do follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of mini tutorials, tips and tricks and things like that on there. So if you don't already, definitely do follow me on Instagram. Let's get right into it. Just a little side note, all the prices that I'm going to talk about are in Canadian dollars, and I'm going to list everything in the description box as well. Starting off, the first product I want to talk about is this Origins Mask Primer. So the thing is that I actually made a boo-boo when I bought this. I thought that this product is like a primer mist that you spray before wearing your makeup, but actually it is a primer mist that you spray on your face before you wear a mask. But yeah, I'll definitely let you guys know how this works out. So the thing is that I got 2 of these for $10, which was like a steal, I guess it is. They're 2 95 ml bottles for $10. So I guess that was also one of the reasons why I just picked it up without even checking it properly. The next 5 products that I'm going to talk about are in the $10 category. So each and every one of these next five products are for $10 each. So the first one is this Estee Edit Fluid Metal Eyeshadow in the shade Got It Bad. So this is what it looks like, and it's basically a liquid gold eyeshadow that is super glittery, super glossy, and basically once it sets, it does not budge, and it's got these glitter particles in it. And I just thought I love golds, I love neutrals, and it's a beautiful shadow, and I got it for $10, so why not? The next product that I got in the $10 category is something that I would never voluntarily pay full price for, just because this is something that you do not wear commonly at all. But the color was just so beautiful, so I had to. It is this MAC Loose Glitter in this fluorescent green shade. So that is what the glitter looks like. As you can see, it is so super stunning. The next product in the $10 category is this lip pencil from MAC. It is a very pretty bubblegummy pink shade, and I did not own this color lip pencil, which is why I picked it up as soon as I saw it. The next product in this category are these 2 Kajal pencils from Estee Lauder. This is part of their Victoria Beckham x Estee Lauder collection. So I got 2 of these for $10, which is freaking amazing because the quality of these Kajal pencils are absolutely phenomenal. So they are 2-sided, in fact, so it's as good as I've got 4 Kajal pencils for $10, which is fantastic. So it's got a black Kajal on one side, and it's got a vanilla shade Kajal on the other side, which is a very nice nude, which is great to put in your waterline when you are not wearing Kajal. So definitely best steal ever. In fact, I'm going to be using one of these pencils in my upcoming videos, so watch out for this one. The final product in the $10 category was again something really stupid that I just picked up without looking, but they are these Clinique cleansing brushes. You know, you guys must have seen Clarisonic and the like kind of brushes. So these are basically the heads that go on to those kind of machines. But in any case, they're quite easy to hold on to, and I got 2 of these for $10. They're very smooth, and I've always wanted something like this. I've never used something like this to cleanse my skin, so I'm really excited to try this out, especially with the next product that I'm going to talk about. So the next product that I was talking about is this Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream. This was for $10 and it is like a full size. It is a 100 ml tube. You basically just apply this on your face directly. You don't need to have your face dampened, and then you just kind of massage it into your skin, and then either you wipe it off with a wipe or you can just rinse it off. So I didn't really own a scrub right now as of this moment, which is why when I saw this, I did not even hesitate to pick it up. So I'm really excited to use this with those brushes from Clinique, and I'm very excited to use this just in general because I needed a scrub desperately in my life. The next product that I'm going to talk about is something I was super duper excited when I saw at the sale. They are these Estee Edit Dissolve the Drama Long Wear Makeup Remover Wipes, and each of these packets have 30 sheets in them. So 2 of these packets combined was for $9, which is super duper fantastic. And because I do so much makeup on a daily basis when I'm shooting my videos and everything, it is very important. It's not even funny how easily I go through so many of these cleansing wipes on a daily basis. So when I saw this, I kind of ended up picking up 2 of these packets. So I basically got 4 wipe packets for $18. Since we're talking about wipes, I also did end up picking up 1 more packet of wipes. This is the Clinique Pep Start Quick Cleansing Wipes. These are 50 tablets for $9.50. So this again, I am super excited to use because I've heard a lot about the Clinique's Pep Start line, and yeah, I guess I just need a lot of wipes. Moving on, we're going to be talking about the $4 category now. These are all products that were kept in massive corrugated boxes, and you just literally had to go dive right in and pick these up. So here they are. I bought 2 mascaras from MAC. These are mini travel size mascaras. Again, this is something that I would not pay full price for because I do not wear colored mascaras that often, but sometimes when I'm in the mood and when I want to do some creative looks, these are for then. So there's a brown color mascara and a gray color mascara, and I haven't actually even tried these on yet, but when you know what, I'll probably try it on Instagram stories and you guys can let me know what you think of them. So the next $4 product is this lip gloss from MAC. It is basically a sheer lip gloss. It is called Clear Water, and it is just to add shine on top of any lipstick that you wear or to wear it alone. Like you can see, it is super duper shiny and it has shimmer glitter particles in it. So I did not own a clear lip gloss, which is why when I saw this for $10, sorry, not 10, $4, I decided to pick it up. Next $4 product is a skincare product. This is a mini size of the Estee Lauder New Dimensions Sculpt Plus Glow Mask. This is basically a mask to be worn overnight, so you can use it 2 or 3 times in a week, and you just basically apply the mask. If you apply a lot of it, then you might want to take some off, but you can apply a thin layer of it and just leave it on all night. The next 3 things that I'm going to talk about are in the $12 category. They're all 3 lipsticks, so here goes. The first one is by Clinique. Now I just want to say, all of these came in boxes, but I threw a lot of them out just because I thought I had filmed and I didn't need them anymore, and I had a lot of boxes lying around. So anyways, Clinique, this lipstick from Clinique is called Rose Pop. It is a matte lipstick. It is so gorgeous. I have already worn this in one of my videos. Here is the swatch of the lipstick. It is such a beautiful color. The next one is the most beautiful shade that I got. It is an Estee Lauder liquid lipstick. It is their Pure Color Envy range and the shade is Extreme Nude. So that right there is the swatch of this. It is such a beautiful nude, a brown nude for me especially, and the fact that it is glossy is just so perfect because I've started wearing glossy lips a lot, especially when I'm wearing smoky eyes and I don't want to wear something matte on my face, on my lips. I generally end up wearing a matte lipstick and then I end up putting gloss over it, like a matte nude, which is why this lipstick is perfect because it's a nude and it's got got so much pigmentation, and I got it for $12. So hello, why not? The last lipstick in this category is again something that I would not have spent full price on, and it is something that has been a long time coming. I've always been thinking about it, but I've never had the heart to spend a lot of money on this color. So basically this is from MAC, and it is a black liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Caviar. It is a retro matte liquid lip color. So that is the swatch of that liquid lipstick. It is dark as hell matte black, and I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. I was thinking of doing a really cool Instagram look with this one, so I might. Let's see. I haven't gotten around to it yet because I've never worn black lipstick before, but you know what, why not? But there's a first time for everything, right? Moving on now, all of the products that I'm going to talk about are all different price ranges. So starting off with this Baby Moisture Surge Intense from Clinique. It is their very famous moisturizer that has been doing really well in the markets out there, and which is why I really wanted to try it out. I have been trying out a lot of skincare of late, and I know you guys have asked me about it, but I will review things once I have used it for a long enough time. I'm excited to use this when I travel because I usually end up carrying my full-size products when I travel, and I just thought that this would be a really nice alternative. I got this, by the way, for $4.50, which is really good. Next up is also a skincare product. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Triple Action Cleanser, Toner and Makeup Remover. So this is something really interesting because it is not a face wash. You're supposed to use this in the morning or at night on your dry skin. You're supposed to massage it onto your skin, and then you have to rinse it off. So I am actually really excited to try and use this one because I've heard the Estee Lauder makeup removers in general, whatever makeup removing product they come out with, is actually very gentle on the skin and is supposed to be very effective in removing makeup. So which is why I decided that I wanted to give this a try. So I got this one for $6.50, and I ended up picking 3 of these bottles because once again I go through a lot of makeup removers, and also that they did not have a full size. This is like a 45 ml bottle for $6.50. Next buy that I am super excited about, that I've already used in one of my videos, you guys have seen how amazing it is this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. I have heard raving reviews about this product, and for good reason, because it is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, if you watch my video, which I will link below, where I have used this foundation, you will see just how beautifully it transformed my skin. So I got this for $12. Yes, you heard that right. I got this for $12, and they ended up, I thought when I saw this on the table, I was like, they're just not, they're gonna have shades that haven't sold very well, or they're probably not gonna have it, because you know, that's just the sort of thing that happens. But they had it, and they had it in my shade, and I'm like killing myself that why did I not buy 2 bottles, because $12 for this product, I mean, it's amazing. Next product that I have used a lot since I have bought it, and you have probably seen it in my Instagram videos, in my YouTube videos, and I have started loving it because I don't know what it is, but my skin has been looking so nice since I've started using this, and my makeup has been going on so well. I have used it today, and as you can see, my foundation's looking really nice, and I don't know why, I just feel that this makes the makeup go on very well. And it is none other than the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So you basically spray this before you apply your makeup, and it works as a setting spray as well. I just have heard so many things about the primers from Smashbox, and I had never really tried them. Saw this there for $19.50. I thought, you know, why not give it a try, and I'm so very happy with this. Next product is also from Smashbox. It is their full It is their full exposure eyeshadow palette. So this is what the palette looks like, and from the inside it's got these beautiful shimmers and neutral shades, amazing for transition shades. It's just a very nice palette. I thought it would be to have. So I got this for $31, which is not bad at all, and it came with this tiny little photo finish eye makeup primer. The next product is this amazing highlighter from MAC. It is called Oh Darling, and it is one of their new skin finish highlighters. As you can see, super gorgeous, super beautiful shades. By the way, it's the highlighter I am wearing right now. So it kind of reminds me of Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. I just think that Champagne Pop is slightly more pinkish as compared to this. This one's a more neutral, but at the same time it gives a beautiful glow to the face, as you can see. Wearing it today. Oh, and by the way, I got the highlighter for $15. Next, and I think this is the last product that I bought, is the Bedtime Bests set from Origins. It is a skincare set and it comes with all of these products. So I'm just going to read out the products really quick. It comes with the High Potency Night Amends Mineral Enriched Renewal Cream. Second, it comes with Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Third, it comes with the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay, which I am really excited to try. And the fourth, it comes with a Super Spot Remover, which is an acne treatment gel. Also very excited to try because I've never tried spot healing my acne with products particularly. I've tried things like toothpaste and tea tree oil, but I haven't really tried this. So I am really excited to try all of these products in this kit. So that was it, guys. That was pretty much my entire Estee Lauder sale haul. I hope I haven't forgotten anything because I did kind of start using some of the products and some of them are in my kit now. So I am pretty sure I pulled everything out. In case I have forgotten anything, I will update it in the description box below. And I know this was a long video, but thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.